Namaskarams, I am Kesav Murthy. I am an HR cum educational consultant based in Coimbatore. This video is about a chapter called Direction Sense. This video is meant for persons who wants to appear some competitive exams like bank exams, and for students who wants to appear for scholarship exams like NTSC exam or NSO exams. Direction sense is an important chapter which comes under mental ability test. Now let us see what we mean by direction sense and how do we cope up with the problems which comes under this particular chapter. We all know there are four primary directions, that is north, south, east and west. The angle between any two consecutive primary direction is 90 degree. That means the angle between north and east is 90 degree. Similarly, the angle between north and west is 90 degree. Likewise, there are four more directions. They are called secondary directions, namely northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest. Again, the angle between any two secondary directions, consecutive secondary directions, is 90 degree. But the angle between a secondary direction and the adjacent main direction, that is primary direction, the angle is 45 degree. If we know these fundamentals, we can solve any type of problem in direction sense. There are 5 types of questions which are asked in direction sense. Let us look at these questions using an example. Our hero wants to go to the grocery shop to buy milk. He goes east 10 meters from his house and takes a right turn and goes for another 10 meters. Again he goes towards east about 5 meters. So that is where the shop is there. I repeat, he goes towards east 10 meters from his house. He takes a right turn, again he walks for about 10 meters, and again he goes towards east and walks for about 5 meters, and he reaches the shop. In this question, the hero covers 10 plus 10 plus 5, that is 25 meters. So one of the question may be, what is the total distance travelled by this hero? That is 25. Now, from where is he now? Where is the shop located from the house? The shop is located from the house in the southeast direction, because he starts up with east, goes to south, again he goes to east. So it is in the southeast direction. What is the actual distance from the house to the shop? That is crow flying distance. Before looking at this particular question, let us look at what is the horizontal distance from the house to the shop. It is the distance travelled by our hero in the horizontal direction, that is 10 kilometers towards east, again 5 kilometers towards east. So 10 plus 5 is 15 meters. So the 15 meters is the horizontal distance travelled by our hero. What is the vertical distance travelled by the hero? So the vertical distance is 10 meters. So now the question is, what is the actual distance? The crow flying distance from the house to the shop. That is, you have to take a Pythagoras Theorem. That is, you have to square the horizontal distance and square the vertical distance, and then you should take a root of that. You have to take the square of horizontal distance and add to the square of vertical distance. Whatever total you get, you have to take a square root of that. That means, in this case, horizontal distance is 15 meters, vertical distance is 10 meters. So the square of 15 is 225 and the square of 10 is 100. So the actual distance from the home to shop is 225 plus 100, that is 320, square root of 325. So these are the 4 or 5 different type of questions they will ask in any direction sense chapter. If you master this and these fundamentals, then you can be very successful in any competitive exam. I hope this video is useful to all the viewers. Thank you for listening to this video. In case you need to know many such fundamentals in mathematics and mental ability area, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then you will get notifications as and when we upload the videos. Thank you once again.